Tell me, ready?
4884 represents the wheel class. The number 1 represents the order of the big boys. They came in 2 sets, 1 set, and then the second set, 1945. 4014 is that first order. 68 represents the height of the wheels, 68 inches. 23 and 3/4 over 23 and 3/4 over 32 is the bore over the stroke of the cylinder. 540 is the amount of weight, 540,000 pounds on the drivers. And MB is a type of stoker used.
Yeah, they were taken by one of our better photographers.
Thank you very much.
We're told there are, but I'm not sure what yeah. 3 minutes after 8.
Like 75 miles an hour. And that's not a
There you go, you got the drivers going.
Don't stand on the train. Don't lean over, lean out, or pick anything up off of the ground. Keep your hands and arms inside, your feet flat on the floor, not up on the railings or not hanging outside, but flat on the floor. And remain seated on the train until it comes back into our station. And remember, no photography from the train while it's in motion.
No what? No photography.
And one other announcement, this train will make a short stop on the other side of the railroad for a minor repair. Please remain seated on the train while that speed is going on.
The train is about to leave.
Time's up. I know, I already asked one, right? I want to allow one more. The way they set their exhaust off. Got them off, huh, Brad?
Yes, sir, we got them off.
I'll put it back. Thank you, Dave. You're welcome.
How many your cars for?
Oh, I'll just pull that whole string out.
Four-wheel lead truck. Excuse me. Didn't Walt Disney wear a hat and a shirt like that?
I believe so. I believe I think it was a bowler, but it was something similar to this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Nicholas.
It's sort of prototyped after an 1830s engine, but there was no. It's not built prototypically. It was built by Bill Connor in Tennessee. He designed it and built around 55 or 60 of these engines since like 1985. And this one he built in 2009. It was one of the last ones that he's built. But it's a great engine. It's really a little marvel of engineering that he's gotten over the years put together.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Kind of reminds me of one of the Sterling motors.
Yeah. Say the two big ones are probably close to 75, maybe 100, and then the other ones maybe 50 a piece at the most. Of course, with the cars and stuff, you know, it adds up. And there he is, Ted Gerd, the man, the legend.